How to fix there was a problem loading this web content error on Steam. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. The Network Troubleshooter is a built-in tool in Windows that identifies and addresses potential network connection issues. It might be beneficial if there are conflicts or problems with your internet settings. Browsers store temporary data, known as cache, to speed up the browsing process. Over time, this data can become outdated or corrupt, causing errors when accessing web content. Under Time Range, pick All Time. Select Browsing History, Cookies, and other site data, and cached images and files. Click Clear Data if that didn't work. Like browsers, Steam also stores temporary cache files. Removing these can help reset any bugged content and improve performance. Open your username folder. Delete the contents of the HTML cache folder. Repairing Steam can fix potential file corruptions or missing components of the application. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Running Steam in compatibility mode can sometimes cause issues. It's best to ensure it runs under normal settings.